So sometimes with lightweight mesh, like we use in our split wing and portal, you can get these little snags in it. Those don't affect the bug-proofness of the mesh. They're not tears. So durability-wise, it's not a problem. But if you don't like the aesthetics, you can fix them in a couple of ways that I will demonstrate for you now. So the easiest way to deal with it is just to find the little snag in the mesh, hold the mesh tight, and just take your fingernail, kind of run your fingernail over it a bunch of times. It's important to hold the mesh taut while you do this. And that should take care of most of the snags. If you've got a really stubborn one that your fingernail is not working for, you can take a quarter with a little ridged edge here and use that to rub it instead of your fingernail. And be gentle with it, because you can really do some damage if you push too hard. Just kind of rub it with the ridged side of the quarter. You can also do this when the tent is not set up, and it can be a little easier to work with it. That should take care of most of them. So that's it. Again, these snags don't compromise the function of the tent in any way. They can be caused by velcro on your clothing or somewhere on the tent that snags the mesh, or vegetation. You don't really need to get rid of them if you don't want to, but if you're bored in your tent, or you really want your tent to look pristine for your Instagram, then you can use a quarter or your fingernail to fix the snags.